Welcome to Dash School, and I am your teacher, Dash Governor. Today we are going to talk about fundamentals of blockchain technology, and we also highlight on what is meant by Dash Digital Cash and how it uses the blockchain technology. But this lecture will be given in Dagbani language, and we will also give out subtitles in English. Watch out. When we talk about blockchain technology, I want to explain it in its simplicity manner. But it is going to be in the Dagbani language. So when we talk about blockchain technology, we have what we call blockchain. Blockchain. This is blockchain, and we also have what we call Dash. Dash. This is blockchain and this is Dash. To zo to bar nti yele yeto alanchang blockchain yeto. Computer to bol technology. New technology nyele karakara system ba puni. To bol limit bibi. Anto bol technology awu mi dagbale ne ya. Dagbale ma ka to bol bibi computer bibi. Za pale karengela ay bor na zan la aratu so. Ayen dole social nto zan le to kar pagu yonjoma. Kamale la shele tembo ne computer lare. De minye wa Dash ma. Ngwa nye tabibi, wa minye Dash. To zo boyenye blockchain technology. Beit buhana boyenye blockchain technology. Blockchain technology ma nyela if Mr. Aziz Iborni Osenel Arti Mr. Ben Aziz Mbon Osenel Arti Mr. Ben. So wula ka Aziz yen nan kala ama pa Mr. Ben. Tin dana non de sham yela. Drashi mini Mr. Aziz yen chant non bumbo mi shambo money transfer. So ba blockchain ne kanama de kam na te ka se bumbo shatam bon money transfer ba. So dina yen yela money transfer wula ka try no Mr. Aziz ne sen la arti Mr. Ben. Tre mala be shakar bengo kat bon limit. Ayo third trusted party. So blockchain rada kane. Ara se Mr. Aziz ne se l'arti Mr. Ben. De le mala bish atum bone ya third trusted party. She mumbo ma. Hiyan daily nanzana titi Mr. Ben. When they are from Mr. Aziz nzana titi Mr. Ben. So ali ngoba with a what fee. So Mr. third trusted party mo right charge Mr. Aziz kadi la nzana titi Mr. Ben. But blockchain pa kam na ante cancel ave harba. So that brings us to the features of blockchain. Zante me kana ben shading ye blockchain. So simingo to bahane bumbo ye blockchain. Ayo blockchain is a technology that enables a movement of what? Digital coins or asset from one individual, you understand, to another individual. So the yela ben shaw blockchain yela ben shaw. Den songreti kantama tiye zan la are Mr. Aziz ye zan la are titi Mr. Ben tebe me bumbor be shawa ngoma third party man. So blockchain man din can come directly to Mr. Aziz. So blockchain can come Mr. Aziz put send arma directly to what? Mr. Ben kate come shabon bone ya third trusted party. So blockchain nyela be shaden kan nirti song then check into insanity lare entity to Yoruba the check into sanity lare to nirba karapane entien zalam no so nu ko date be fo kana zanti de jolte mal la be shaka de bon le blockchain ya katmal be shaka de bon ya drai jimini zanti maybe Mr. Aziz ya zanti third party man ko zanti Mr. Ben. The total take it about 3 days. Keba drana to take it about 3 days. That's a one. The debata. Be that's the ndam all in the one. The debata. Ayo. But don't go. Then the blockchain karama. no more 3 days. Because blockchain no la be fast and immediately. Blockchain no la very fast, cannot immediately. So blockchain they no la very fast than 3 days man. So then I tell you Mr. Aziz and sell out to Mr. Ben. Then take like 3 days. But I cannot blockchain no more 3 days because blockchain they no la fast. In there sell so I can Mr. Aziz directly to Mr. Ben. Ka third party ka phone. Ka blockchain no be shatin bole cheaper. Blockchain no cheaper. So blockchain yala Allah. I am selling lare. In use blockchain no. Then Allah because they know Shamia. I am calling from Mr. Aziz. Okay, send them directly to Mr. What? Ben. I am so it's cheaper because come third party will take a fee. I am but blockchain pony the fee is lesser than third party man. So BTR is lesser than blockchain in fee then Allah as on the cara. I didn't get useless. Then Allah gary third party man. So maybe show how blockchain what they call it works. How does blockchain works? How does blockchain works? So we can demonstrate how blockchain works. This is show concept of open ledger. Concept of open ledger. We have concept of open ledger. We also have distributed ledger. And we also have what? The concept of what? Miners. Concept of open ledger. Number 2, category distributed ledger. Distributed ledger. Concept of distributed ledger. And third, concept of what? Miners. So, there 3 concepts or 3 principles of man. Shading me before can I to use blockchain vegan. Kama concept of open ledger. Then yala besha the word kadama I send alare from Mr. Aziz to Mr. Ben. From Mr. Ben to Mr. Salim. Dinyan dole ledger shading dole. Then your concept of open ledger. So timale besha chapter 3 demonstration katinya. So then men katimale Mr. Aziz. Mr. Aziz is selling out to Mr. Ben. But Mr. Aziz is selling out to Mr. Ben about 5 cities. Understand? Mr. Aziz is selling out to Mr. Ben about 5 cities. Mr. Ben is selling out to Mr. Karim 3 cities. Mr. Karim is selling out to Mr. Hakim 1 cities. So I can ten come not no besha I can A to B to my 5 cities. B to C to K. Katamale 3 cities. Katakana Mtumale K to what H. Katamale 1 cities. So Ali this is how blockchain concept of open ledger works. Mr. A wants to send 5 cities, 5 Ghana cities to Mr. B. Mr. B wants to send what? 3 Ghana cities to what? Mr. K. Mr. K wants to send 1 Ghana cities to Mr. what? H. So when you look at it, the from Mr. B A to Mr. B, 5 what? Ghana cities. Mr. B to Mr. K, 3 Ghana cities. Mr. K to Mr. H, what? 1 Ghana cities. So blockchain technology, workera. Ale blockchain technology, workera. So ale temala ledger shading and betema. They are the same ledger the Mbeki. The same ledger can be that's the same blockchain man. Then become then can then I make it. So I am making sure that kadim ninzaha karakunya the same what we call blocks. Understand? Because blockchain they give like great accuracy. So blockchain technology tiyel kadaba timal sharikat lambo ne distributed ledger as one of the principles of blockchain technology or concept of blockchain technology. Distributed ledger ma din yama ya din yin ka Mr. Aziz zan l'arati so ko bi ba del Mr. Aziz san zan charati Mr. Ben ma la to boni so yi be bosun sunu ma ndi la ara Mr. Aziz san zan charati Mr. Ben ma. Distributed ledger do away with the centralized party. So the katla when you be isun sunuma. So distributed ledger ba una. Dumuna yi nanka Mr. A yanzanti Mr. B komi zan chanti Mr. C. So distributed ledger will do away with what they call centralized party. So in blockchain we don't have A directly equal to what? C. Say maybe 5 cities. Blockchain, like a blockchain solidity. So last concept the concept of what? Minus. La minus woman. Then you have bang the bang you see computer bouncing. That computer BB bouncing. And then the what you call man last sabo. But man last sabo, didn't catch a map when you can shout what you call that dilution between pay what you call chain map when by a man last summer and loves not to have a younger Karka progression. So I lay it to my say to my aim, my B, my C, my what you call it D. So A can pay maybe 5 cities. A pay can maybe 2 cities. I will. A pay can maybe 6 cities. So can be one canopy. Meanwhile, A has only 10 cities. So A man 10 cities. I will A man 10 cities ma. Can it be 5 cities? So the Angula what they call it? The Angula what they call it? 5 cities. So the name can maybe A born can see 15 cities. A born can see 15 cities. Meaning the kutuano because A la anza 10 cities. So A la anza 10 cities ma. O me kunza 5 cities into B. I will cut lamb one can see kabo another 15 cities. So this brings us to what we call the concept of minus. I will which uses what? Basic computer mathematics. I will call it difficult maths. And it comes with an incentive called reward. I will for the miner who has been able to do the calculation fast. So then come miner show when no young man to realize la problem man. Katu no calculation man la what that will to bon inshallah sama. La c'est never yelanga. Maintenant to umpo ten kamna ntibambo shakun borwa dash digital cash. Dash digital cash. How does dash digital cash blockchain works? That is what we are coming to study now. How does digital cash blockchain works? So how is Dash blockchain funded and governed? How is Dash blockchain funded and governed? So now let's look at what we call Dash. Dash is a digital cash. Dash is a digital cash. But now, if Dash uses what we call blockchain technology, how is it funded and how is it governed? So this brings us to what we call, we have a very clear 2 features of how Dash blockchain technology was funded and governed. Money as service, as a service. Money as a service, that's blockchain. That's blockchain give return money as a service. As I will, it gives them money as a service. They will by the land function as what we call DAO. It functions as DAO. I will so blockchain technology ma dum we krisham nyala ya de chamaka la are kar liam service la are liam service kar ya la are pa ngara be sha amin soni ya tumtuma en no sham la are ba en zan sen to sham ni oyen deal sham I'm kakara it functions as DAO. Missing board be sha DAO nyala DIVA designed for decentralized ka EMA representative for autonomous ka OBA representative for organization. So that makes Dash independent. That blockchain technology independent. So Ali independent now. Independent. So independent ma the wurin kadama ya Mr. A. Mr. A from maybe Ghana. Mr. B, on to sell arti Mr. B from say Egypt. Can Mr. B sell arti Mr. Z from USA? I will. Can Mr. Z sell arti Mr. K say from Canada? So let's say as I find it, can we say $10, $5, $10, $20. So that makes it independent in the sense that they can see you, they can win your camera. I so come by interest, so come to Zo Hankala, Wadi and Sham Karchanturi. So Mr. A to sell out Mr. A from Ghana, or to sell out Mr. B from Egypt. And Mr. B from Egypt to sell out Mr. Z from USA. And Mr. Z from USA to sell out Mr. K from Canada. Karakunya fast. The Kunya fast. I could sell it within seconds or receive them. Mr. A could sell $5 into Mr. B from Egypt within seconds or receive them. Mr. Egypt B by selling out Mr. Z from USA within seconds or receive them. So the Chamaka Dash carry acted as well decentralized autonomous organization. The World Academy the Katiwa, there's no CEO to that. That makes it very unique. So they make it a very unique man. So it makes it very unique in the sense that the decision making and funding uses what we call the DAO. It uses what we call the DAO. Decision making in Dash Digital Forum uses what we call DAO concept. And then the funding back are using what we call DAO concept. So Ali Temala Ben Shao at the bone in terms of the what they call it, decision making, and in terms of funding man yala being tell are never zan tuma the nanka charisma kartaya decision making man didn't carry problem shana arise being zan han shana the nanka chantu ne be ka problem ba kar solve. So ali tamala shapkat bon ba minus masterless and treasury tamala minus masterless and treasury, 3 concepts with its respective percentages. So minus ma, I'll hit my minus. But they allow 45%. I will minus 45%. Can masterless can do 45%. Can treasury can do 10%. Treasury. So minus 45 minus man, they allow 45%. Masterless can do 45%. Can treasury can do 45%. So when I didn't learn, we need to dash year kokachi. Other cryptocurrency nyala. Dash digital card no independent. They mean no independent man yamaya. They will there grants. So sane. They will be there corporate sponsorship. They will there donation for the foundation. So Dash Digital Cash is independent in the sense that it doesn't take grants and it does not take what we call corporate sponsorship. So that makes it very unique. So the there grants, be corporate sponsorship ma, the chamakadama didn't take a decision. The person didn't take a decision till because it is the centralized body, the governing body ma, but didn't take a decision. And I'm even Dash Puna go be a fool. Oh, I want to give you a pictorial evidence of blockchain. Mbora mun wuya be shadin ya blockchain. Na atin ya blockchain aya na shamba. Ali block ma din bo. This is a block. Block mbo. Ba wa bumbo ka bo le chain. So chain bo. So ali block the chain. That didn't take to bump somewhere blockchain. So that brings us to the end of today's lecture. Next week we shall discuss more on what we call a masternode and what we call treasury, and also what we call miners and how it acts within the DAO concept. So to put a pumpkin pie, blockchain technology nuku nyeben shambala, and dash blockchain technology din nyeben shambala, and didn't take a dash carry the konku catch all currencies. So kubube karikema dash school nyela ben shadan kana na to wote blockchain technology the dash digital cash din nyeben shandaren din zent ben sha mfuya. Thank you.